about age. So, say you can have all the fun. Kopem say wow fo say why you ready. Abra, we do pempen so we say, woo age is not really your friend. Wrinkles say PAP. Oh, you cry ram menopause mo. And so I realized I said, baby, I made my comment. And then you share the second aspect, age as somewhere. Or baby, so honomwa. O siswa ope a kind of nature be. A type, a kind of nature be. Ope di Oscar. Ope di enedjuma no yen, but some swan. Yet suya no sike bi emu odu. Opedi enen sagwa de bia obezi tiskama no. Opedi de bia obe celebrating a birthday party every year amano. Opedi ode ne be ko shopping, opedi ode ne be tutu kwan. Ope a kind of nature. Opedi okase da ha no ada. Opedi ode onu oba ne beka no e na be ma ne de be ye adwuma. Opedi type na I mean, you get what I mean. Or baby or what? Nede or pay a kind of nature. Forget and say, if you are simune warning, including sa or banner crampoa, or pay that type of nature, on your perfect. And from swowo, ubia. Ain't it so wussy so now we are wandering say. Maybe a bear ma me pesa menenetsna, me pesa meneno worry as or you renew kono. Me pe when you now was our bear money more minuaba. Oh how honin so no. Oh how future. Nature said there is nothing like a perfect being. But you can have a better relationship with the imperfect being. That is the truth. You can have a better relationship with Nipana. Nianka wushishe nyina no onya ni nyina ma wo. Obia wo ni sinto. And satie nyina anyepe. And you need to pick the person and say you need to accept the person. Said ye otie. Nipa no wone strength e wone weakness. Hwene strength no na fa gine tum said ye otie. Nenya gidie e wo wusum mo. Say bia nyame ya adom a de ye weakness na enye no enye say enye ma wo ba enye ye wo suban bi wo wa bia wo na wo fo say enye ma wo bananka enye problem bi asa de bia meka say be me wo mu anu atwe mpra ba ko na yirechi e wo mu ana bia wo ko ba ko akotwa ne ho ba ko aba na wo fa ne say a big issue e bi kra na ye no aye ba ko ye o meme bi wo ho a enye habits say de bia wo ne oba akoda aside na yire no obi wo ho mu anu akotwa ne ho ba ko na wo fa ne say a very big issue enti no ube jai sa be mana mesre me bisaw ayembia se wo ye Kristo ni ase wo nim David story e wo Bible. The truth of the matter is be me bi enu aye born mo oba ba ko enti se wo base on ade bi a enhye da anye issue na wo fo say enu nti no wo de wo be gina eno so na wa condemn mo be me bia obeba wa akwan mu a so age is not really your friend. Emre eko ebedu baby no one will say why a very big mistake. So you try to settle down with anything in trousers. You try to settle down with DNA or no na enye say omo anu afa wachi baako na mum die ne die ye habits. For how long will you take it? For how long and I will be to me as so for better for worse? For how long? So there will be a bitter ending. Ube jaya wari, ube na me jaya wari na ye jai. Ebin so kra na nkola abem. Na bitter ending. And one na wodi akwa kusi. And as you di besia. Ebe sa to us. That's it.